It's ironic that the words health insurance automatically make your heart rate increase and stress levels rise to the point where your stomach hurts and you might just... Okay, calm down. Thankfully, there's ExtrasJar, here to help Aussies get more value from their health insurance. With ExtrasJar, you can create a plan to suit your lifestyle, budget and health needs. Switch your Extras premium to your own fund to pay for general treatments using your digital MasterCard. And with Extras your way, there's no more restrictive limits. Want to spend it all on dental? You can. It's your choice. You can also lower the cost of hospital cover with this self-insurance deposit feature. Now, the best bit. Your funds are invested when you're not using them, which means any unused funds roll over each year. Now that's extra. Calm yet? Good. For health insurance that won't make you feel sick, visit extrasjar.com.